me with your eyes open.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is making eraser slime. So there is one way with one type of eraser that definitely works, but I'm going to test it out with just a regular eraser. So I know what erases, but let's see if it erases better than the other ones. So yeah, let's just get started. So what you want to do first is take your eraser and a piece of paper and just kind of erase this. And this is going to take a while, so fast forward. And later on, I just gave up because this was literally taking forever. So I just stuck with what I had. This is as far as I got, and it's really late. So this is how much I'm gonna use. It's really sad. I guess I'll make a tiny slime. So yeah. So I just wanna put these into this big bowl. Oh, this is really sad. Maybe I can just erase a little more. Yeah, it's useful. Oh God. So I'm just gonna get them all in this little pile here and get my lotion, that's what you need. Let me just pour in that much. Not only supposed to put in a lot, but I mean, look at this. That is way too much lotion. Now what you want to do is get your glue. Now I'm going to pick a color. I'm going to be choosing. How about pink? Because I love pink. I'll make it a pretty pink.
On the camera, it's much more neon. I mean, in real life, it's much more neon. The camera's kind of making it like darker.
Now I want to get my cornstarch. I was gonna use this, but I gave up. Put that in. That was not enough. Put that in. Put that in. Let's see how that is. Okay, so it's clumping up. That's good. That's what you want. I think we're gonna need more glue. Definitely, it's kind of supposed to be like a gum, stretchy but really thick kind of texture. Because this is what it looked like on the video. So I guess I'm doing it right. So this is the kind of pasty texture you want this to be. Which I thought was really bad, but in the video it said this was good. Okay, now we need to get our activator. I'm using some Stay Foam. You could also use borax, contact lens solution, or detergent, or whatever kind of one you use. So this is kind of not the end result because we still have some steps to go. So I don't really recommend this because I'm just here to try stuff for you guys, but okay. It's coming together because this took a while. And the worst part was doing the erasing. That took literally so long. I hated that part. But I know this is actually a really good texture. Ready? So for the big revealance, I'm going to be erasing this pie with part of my slime. I'm not using all of it. Oh my God, this slime is erased. That is so cool. Okay guys, this does work and it's really cool. So I now do recommend this because it erased, and not really well, like an actual eraser like this. And I got slime all over this.
It's beautiful, and this video is 21 minutes. Oh my god.
Well, I have a lot of cleaning up to do. And hopefully you enjoy this. Because, I don't know. I don't think you should do the erasing if you want erasable slime. Because this did work. Just saying. Putting it out there. Like this video. Subscribe to Barbie Quiet. And now I have to go and fix up this mess and fix it up more. And I'll see you in my next video. I have a lot of editing to do, and this is gonna be horrible. So, see you on my next video. Bye.